Disclaimer, this video is produced by an AI generator. Don't recreate anything you see.
Yo, hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. As y'all see by the title, we got some carbon fiber. And we got some carbon fiber for the car. It's gonna change the whole look of the car, I'm hoping, because honestly, the car kind of looks like a sleeper. I ain't even gonna lie, it kind of looks like a little sleeper. Like, it don't look that aggressive off the bat. So I'm hoping that with this, it's gonna add a little more character to it. It's gonna add some detail to it. I was thinking about doing the wing, but honestly, I think the diffuser needs some more help, you know? So we got a diffuser, carbon fiber diffuser, and we're gonna be installing it today. I'll be doing it myself, DIY, y'all know how we do. If y'all haven't seen the downpipe video, where I install my downpipes, my catalyst downpipes, go and watch that first. Y'all need to watch down so y'all can be caught up on what we done to the car, y'all know what I mean? Before we start putting the diffuser and all that, I'm about to go get a little car wash. I'm about to go wash the car because I haven't washed the V like in 3 weeks. I ain't even gonna lie, it's musty, it's dirty. I vacuumed it inside and everything. Inside is pretty cool, whatever. Yo, and I actually tried finding some white carbon fiber to match, obviously, my carbon fiber center console, but I can't find no one that makes white carbon fiber. Let me know what y'all think about this idea, but I'm thinking I might just wrap the carbon fiber white eventually, because I have a plan of what I want the car to look like, but I couldn't find the white carbon fiber. And getting it custom made by someone, like, I don't even know who could do that for me, or like where to get that done for real. But I might just wrap the carbon fiber white in this tone. Like, let me know what y'all think of that. Is that tacky? Is that weird? Like, is that doing too much? Let me know, because I do want to match the carbon fiber with that white piece. So.
Oh, you thought you niggas was smooth, try to hit a lick, he thought I won't have my tool, said he wanna be right, that shit is my food, look, 30 hollow bullets probably fuck up your mood, dope fiend sniffing the dust, he can't get no front cause I ain't give him no trust, what the fuck you doing acting like you
gas and we watched the car, so I'm about to show y'all the car and the diffuser that we're about to take off. All right, y'all, so this is a diffuser that we currently have. Y'all see it's nothing special for real, but for me, I feel like the diffuser needed to work before the spoiler did. So I got the diffuser carbon fiber like I already said. So this is gonna change the whole car, how it looks and everything. So this is currently the stock one, the before. Y'all see it. And like I said, I just installed the catalyst downpipe. So while we're already here, I might as well give y'all a little bit of revs. Y'all feel me? Let me throw this in the Sport Plus though. Let me give y'all some Sport Plus. All right, y'all. I hope y'all ready for this one because this thing's loud. If y'all haven't seen the downpipe video where I installed them, gave the whole POV and everything, go watch that right now. Like, what are y'all doing? Y'all wrong if y'all haven't watched this one, but watch this one. Like, go watch that before this. So pause it and go watch that. I'm about to give y'all some revs. Y'all see when Sport Plus. Don't mind the check engine. Don't mind. It's the downpipe. You ever done downpipe work on car? You know it's downpipe, though. Just chillax, you know. Make sure y'all subscribe before that. Before I hit the revs, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Subscribe. We just hit 200. We're on the road to 300. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7.
Favor. Shut the fuck up.
nice.
God damn, that was loud, y'all. Somebody get out of here. I'm not even gonna lie, I just done woke up everybody. People came outside and everything. The dogs started barking. I'll give you guys a little pull or two, you know what I mean? I'll give y'all a little pull before I start working on the diffuser and all that.
Oh, you thought you niggas was smooth, try to hit a lick, he thought I won't have my tool, said he wanna be right, that shit is my food, look, 30 hollow bullets probably fuck up your dope fiend sniffing the dust, he can't get no front cause I ain't give him no trust,
downpipes, like I said, you haven't watched the installation video, go watch that right now.
Nigga fans probably got keys in the track hall. Every time I'm talking about peas, it's a pack talk. The trap house filled with fiends, they be crack.
They got fatter. I'm in a 5 fish with a stick on me. Curtains in the back. Real chain background, spit the brick on me. So many things flip off. Paramount cups from Starbucks.
I'm gonna see what this cat on. See the little revs. You don't want the smoke. You don't want it.
Thanks I get clutching on the air. When I take off, I got 10 notebooks.
what I tell y'all. You don't want it.
You really want that 36, baby, make a wish. I can't be fucked up, cause I can take a trip. I ain't really learned shit in school, but I can make a brick. This shit ain't the bags, it'll make you rich. I just hit the bitch and I ain't paid for shit. This a Audemars, this a Yacht Master. This a $250,000 car, I can't drive fast. You was talking about some good shit.
Alright, so first things first, we gotta take off everything, this whole thing right here, take off the whole bumper. We're gonna get started. Part is out, I'm dead. Someone wrote hee hee.
Baddest bitch and I ain't paid for shit. This a Audemars.
Bumper is now off. It went through hell with this one, I ain't gonna lie, this thing was hard, but we got it off. It was these little things that, oh no, these little plastic things that were honestly giving me a hard time. Y'all seen them bent all the way up and stuff. Alright, y'all, so we just got the stock diffuser off. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like without the diffuser. This is just a pure bumper. So y'all know the AMG's got fake exhaust tips, y'all. So this is just pure bumper. Stock one is off. It's time I show y'all the new and upgraded one. The carbon fiber one. Y'all don't see right here. Look at this thing. Crazy. Look at the fiber on that. So this is how it's gonna look after with the new diffuser on, y'all. So with snap of a finger, this thing's about to be on. Let me show y'all. Boom, y'all see the final product. Nah, the carbon fiber for real though. Like y'all see it in the sun, y'all can see how it's shining and stuff. I ain't even gonna lie, on camera you can't really tell, but in person the filming wasn't 100% on it. But honestly, we had to make some fabrications for it to fit. We had to do it our own way. You know, I didn't show none of that, but we did it our own way to make it fit. It's a little popping out from the edge if you really look at it closely, but I step back far enough, you know, you don't see nothing. So it needs a whole wing, it needs side skirts, it needs a front lip. So this is just the beginning of the Ricer mods. And we might maybe I don't know if y'all seen like the little mud flaps they have right here and stuff, carbon fiber, but I might get some of those. But let me know what y'all think of the diffuser right now. I'll say that it makes the car look way much more aggressive. I'll say it makes it look lower as well, just about a tiny bit, because obviously the fins, they come more low to the ground now. So I think it makes the car look more lower. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more POV, but y'all see the diffuser. Let me know what y'all think about this. Now I gotta go test drive the car now, because honestly this probably added, I'm thinking about like 15 horsepower. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like this at least 20 horsepower right here to the wheels. Like y'all see the arrow on that? Y'all see the big old fins on that? Like look at that. You see this coat? Do you see this coat? You see this coat? Yeah, like y'all seen, it's not an easy process to put on the diffuser. You gotta take off the whole bumper and stuff, like how I did. I'm not sure how it is on American cars, but I'm pretty sure it's way easier than all this. So you know what y'all think, because this mod, it was a little hard to put on like every other AMG, Mercedes, German car. But nah, I'm happy with how it came out. I think it looks way better. And next up, we gonna get that spoiler. We gonna get that spoiler thing right though, because it still looks a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's like a sleeper car. Everybody telling me I got a sleeper car because they don't look like a whole race car and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some POV. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the snack pack. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the diffuser. So I'm gonna give y'all some POV with the brand new like 20 horsepower.
I'm the one who put you niggas on. It's the thanks I get. Clutching on the AR pistol when I take the shit.
Alright, so I'm about to give y'all the POV with the extra 30 horsepower mod. I see we already got performance pages up here. We ain't playing. God damn, y'all. Y'all, all I want to say is that I appreciate everybody that watches the videos, because right now we got like 2 videos that are over 1,000 views, and to me that's kind of crazy. One of them is like at 1,100 something. The other one's like broke 1,000, getting over there, but it broke 1,000. 2 videos over 1,000. I feel like that's crazy to me. And a lot of videos, they're like over 500 views and all that, but y'all need to subscribe for me, man. Just subscribe for me, please. Like, y'all gotta be enjoying the videos if y'all watching them. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe and like, bro. Like, it's not that hard. It's literally free. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the POVs. And if y'all didn't watch the catalyst video where I put catalyst downpipes on the whip, y'all need to go watch that. Yeah, the car right now, I haven't explained to y'all for real, but the car is like 11 right now. My steering don't work, it's very loose and stuff. My suspension is fried. Suspension is fried. You see, I got all these codes right here and stuff. That's all from when I did my downpipes, y'all. So if y'all enjoyed my last video where I went to the car meet, let me know, cause honestly, I miss going to the car meets. Y'all used to be in the car meets like every single week we used to go, but as of lately, I kind of been chilling down on that. We haven't been outside to the meets like that. But I like going to the meets, you know, it's fun. So if y'all like the car meet videos, I'm gonna keep pumping those out for y'all. Like I'm saying, my car ain't working right now. Nothing that don't work is my paddles. So y'all see, I'm pressing my paddles, nothing happens. The paddles don't work, so giving POV is a little bit hard because, you know, I can't downshift for y'all and give y'all that good pull and stuff. But once I get all that fixed, the POV is gonna be back at it. I'm gonna be pumping out like 4 POVs out a day.
Cap.
But we gonna give y'all regular POV still. This thing still sounds crazy, yo. The catalyst downpipes changed the whole thing. Y'all hear it? It sounds like a monster.
I'm the one who put you niggas on. It's the thanks I get. Clutching on the AR pistol when I take a cap.